Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna Mujib. My part of this presentation is biochemical importance of maltose and lactose. Now moving towards the next slide, we have biochemical importance of maltose. The biochemical importance of maltose includes brewing. It is used for brewing as their composition is similar to wort. It is also used in doughs with strong fermenting yeast as these are able to metabolize maltose quickly. Flavors and aromas. It serves as a carrying material for flavoring materials and volatile aromas. It is also used in infant foods. Protection of liver. The medicinal importance of maltose is based on its repair and protection of the liver, which is what modern glucose is used for. Source of glucose. Maltose is one of the main sources of glucose. Glucose is an important nutrient since it is mainly used in energy metabolism. Formation of starch. Maltose helps in starch formation. Starch and maltose are structurally similar in a sense that they are made up of glucose units. Used in baking. It is also used in baking. It allows bread dough to rise when carbon dioxide is produced and released during the conversion of starch into maltose by reacting the starch with enzymes. Fermentation of alcohol. Maltose is important in the fermentation of alcohol as starch is converted to carbohydrate and easily broken down into glucose molecules with the enzyme maltase, which is present in yeast. Used as a sweetener. Maltose, which is 1/3 as sweet as sucrose, has been used by the Chinese Bender and Bender 2005 to sweeten foods at least as far back as the 7th century. Dietary source for men. Maltose is a dietary source for men, can be found largely in vegetables, fruits, and grains. Role in food industries. Various maltose containing syrups are used in the brewing, baking, soft drink, canning, confectionery, and other food industries. Now in the next slide, we will discuss the biochemical importance of lactose. The biochemical importance of lactose includes low glycemic index. Lactose is an important dietary carbohydrate since it has a low glycemic index, which means it does not cause spikes in blood sugar level. Delivery of active ingredient. The primary purpose of lactose is to aid the delivery of the active ingredient in the body. It is mostly used in tablets, capsules, and dry powder inhalers. Important energy source. Just as the other dietary disaccharides, lactose is an important source of energy. Hydrolysis of lactose provides simple sugars, galactose and glucose, that is absorbed and metabolized by the body. Synthesize ATP. It is a form of monosaccharide that the cell commonly uses to synthesize ATP via substrate level phosphorylations, glycolysis, or oxidative phosphorylation involving redox reactions and chemiosmosis. Converted into lactic acid. Lactose can be converted to lactic acid. Microorganisms such as lactobacilli can convert lactose to lactic acid, which is used in the food industry. Example, it is used in the production of dairy products like yogurt and cheese. Absorption of calcium. According to more recent research, Lactose may also play a role in the absorption of calcium and other minerals such as copper and zinc, especially during infancy. Counters aging associated decline of some immune functions. Lactose and other sugars in milk also promote the growth of bifidobacteria in the gut and may play a lifelong role in countering decline of some immune functions associated with aging. Source of energy for infants. Lactose is the main source of energy supplied to an infant mammalian in its mother's milk. Helps in glycogen synthesis. Lactose digestion is optimal. It is the main source of galactose for liver glycogen synthesis. Helps you absorb calcium. The lactose found in human milk has a beneficial effect on the development of microorganisms that live in the digestive tract of babies. It also helps in better absorption of calcium in babies.